How I would search for cheap 2015 BMW X5 in Latvia. I would start by searching interesting car on ss.lv. Select make, model, year, and do a search. Then order by price and you will see cheapest cars on the Latvian market. But is it the best deal in Baltic's market? Let's figure out it. Yeah, this car looks cheap until you see this. Mobile.d doesn't show you this part. His is a 2015 BMW X5. Looks like a good price on mobile.de. But here's what most people don't check. I click this button, and boom, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia prices. Same car, same year. And look, 4,300 euros cheaper in Latvia, Estonia, crazy? 8,750. Lithuania. Choose what you like. I never make a decision without this Chrome extension.